Our collaborative 3D modeling and design platform will harness the power of artificial intelligence and combine it with the simplicity of the voice interface to make the process simple and effective for our customers. So we ask ourselves a question: what can we do to achieve these ambitious goals? And came with a number of functions. So, first of all, show me the overview of the model. Thank you. Find me the entrance door. So, the voice interface to search for particular elements instead of doing it manually. Replace the door with the red wooden one. Okay, select option 2. Check for configuration compatibility with BIM. Okay, all is good. All completing using voice and artificial intelligence for the technology to improve people's lives.